Hey guys, Joe with DIY Cold Plunge here. I'm going to show you an Active Aqua Chiller hack that lets you set the temperature below the factory setting of 39 degrees. And I learned this from Jesse over at ModTub. They're a company that makes plug-and-play cold plunges using Grizzly 400 coolers. And if you want to check their solution out, you can go to modtub.co and use the code DIY75 to save $75 on their plug-and-play cold plunge. But back to the hack. Here's what you need to do. Open up and get access to your chiller. You're gonna press and hold the up and down arrows for about 5 seconds. Once that happens, you'll hear a beep and the numbers will start flashing 0. From there, you're just gonna hold the up button all the way to 50. If you have your chiller set to Fahrenheit, each number here is 1/10 of a degree. So if you go up to 10, there will be a 1 degree differential. If you go up to 50, there's going to be 5. Once you hit set, this basically tricks your chiller into thinking that it's 5 degrees warmer than it actually is. So with that temperature differential in mind, you will still set your chiller to 39 because that's the lowest that Active Aqua will allow you to go. But the temperature of the water will actually be 5 degrees cooler. I've been able to maintain temperatures from 34 to 35 for about the last week using a 1/4 horsepower chiller in my version 3 DIY cold plunge. And I've used the Inkbird wireless thermometer to track it. And just a quick word of caution, use this hack at your own risk. If you're interested in the version 3 DIY cold plunge that I have featured here, I've got early access pricing on the plan until June 26th. You can check it out at DIYcoldplunge.com. And if not, subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next video.